In 1815, the Congress of Vienna aimed to restore order after Napoleon's defeat. Amidst the grand negotiations, a peculiar incident occurred. A diplomat's cat named Whiskers wandered into the conference room, causing chaos. The feline's antics led to a temporary halt in discussions, but it also broke the tension among the delegates. This unexpected pause allowed for more amicable negotiations, ultimately contributing to the Congress's success. Who knew a cat could influence history? The Congress of Vienna set the stage for European diplomacy, and Whiskers became an unsung hero of peace.